In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Airtable. If your table has repeated records, cleaning them up can make your base much easier to manage and much more accurate. The goal here is simple. Identify records that appear more than once, compare them carefully, keep the best version, move over any important details, and then delete the extra copy. Start by opening the Airtable table that contains the duplicate records. Make sure you're in the correct table before making any changes, especially if your base includes multiple tables with related information. Taking a moment to confirm this can help prevent accidental edits in the wrong place. And next, find the duplicates by sorting or grouping your records using the field that may be repeated. This could be something like a name, company, item ID, or any other value that should only appear once. Sorting or grouping helps similar records appear together, so duplicates are easier to spot without having to scan the entire table manually. Once those matching values are visible, compare the records carefully. Look at each duplicate pair or group and review the information inside them. Sometimes the records may look almost identical, but one version might contain more complete or more up-to-date information. This is an important step because you want to avoid deleting something useful by mistake. After that, decide which record should stay. In most cases, you'll want to keep the one that is the most complete, the most accurate, or the one that best matches your current workflow. Choosing the correct record first makes the rest of the cleanup process much smoother. Before deleting anything, move any important data from the duplicate record into the one you're keeping. For example, if one record has missing notes, tags, dates, or linked information that exists in the duplicate, copy that over now. This helps you preserve everything important while still reducing the table to a single clean record. Once you've transferred any needed information, delete the extra duplicate record. Be careful during this step and make sure you're removing only the unnecessary copy, not the main record you intended to keep. Finally, check the table again to make sure the duplicates are gone. Review the grouped or sorted view one more time and confirm that only the correct records remain. A quick final review helps you catch anything you may have missed and ensures your Airtable table is clean, organized, and ready to use.